the line is moving. We've been making moves, keep doing what we're doing, staying focused on the ultimate goal. I think you guys know what the ultimate goal is with every content creator, is that at some point we can make a career and it can be bringing in set amount of income and all that stuff. So that is what we're trying to do. If it's your first time here and you found us, I hope that will be the last time you come back and see us. I hope you'll keep coming back. But yeah, our goal is to bring our channel to specifically our YT, our YouTube channel, to the next level. Get you guys coming over and watching us, because our biggest problem is we haven't been consistently putting out content. I went through a bit of a burnout when it came to content creation. When we started content creation in 2022, I was posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday every week. And I did that full on for like a year and a half. And we didn't see anything happen. And that's the hard, frustrating thing, is when you're putting out content, you're putting out part of your life, and people are watching, but it's like 80 views. You are wondering what you're doing wrong when you see other people do stuff, and you're like, damn, they did one video and they got 100,000 views. And you're like, oh, well, they went to Disney World and got to eat in the castle, or they're best friends with Michael Jackson's son. So there's always some things that you could kind of compare and look at other people and say like, damn, well, how come they're getting the numbers? How come they're getting the sponsorships? Well, you have to stay focused on what your appeal is. What is your purpose? And just continue to stay focused on that. And for us, it was representation. Unfortunately, we've been bamboozled into thinking that a black family looks this way, a black family looks that way, a black family does this type of job, and they wear this type of clothes, and they do these type of activities, and they only do prank videos. There's a certain image that unfortunately media has created, and we've kind of allowed it to kind of happen. And there's so many diverse aspects of relationships, and especially in the minority community, the POC community, the black family can be different for everyone. But we just wanted to highlight what we are. We are regular people. This is us. This is our love. This is what, how many years we've been together? 12 years of a relationship has blossomed into. We've created a beautiful child, what we're creating together, our new life in Central Florida. All of that is what we're presenting, and we want to share that with others, so people know that, like, yo, your relationship doesn't have to look like this. If your relationship feels like, you know, something's not right, this is the relationship, and this is kind of how we do it. So please keep coming back and watching us and what we do and how we do it. Happy Friday.